Alright, so in this Markets.com broker review, we will look at one of the biggest forex brokers out there, but in this field, big is not always the best. Our Markets.com review will show you if this is a scam broker or it is a regulated trading broker that you may want to test. We will review the regulations they have, the trading assets offered by the broker, different types of fees, the account types, as well as the unique features that Markets.com offers to its users. So if you're ready, let's do it! Welcome to the Trading Academy. My name is Petko Alexandrov, and before I share with you what our Markets.com broker review showed to me and my team, make sure to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button, and in return I will make sure to answer all of your questions in the comments below, only if we know the answer, right? Markets.com is a CFD and Forex broker that has offices in Cyprus and several other countries. It has been in business since 2008 and serves clients through two platforms which focus on CFDs and investing. It's a fact that our Markets.com broker review showed that this broker is highly regulated with authorization in UK, EU, Australia, South Africa and the BVI. Their strategic authorization in different geographical regions allows them to do businesses with traders from a large number of countries. It's very likely that you will be able to open an account there, whether you are in the Caribbean or in Europe, for example. You can open an account in Markets.com. The only restricted countries are Japan, Canada, Belgium and the US. Your capital receives a high level of protection while it's in your account and as you execute each trade. This trading broker meets the requirements for trading that are set by the Financial Conduct Authority, which is the FSCA in UK, Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission or CySEC in Cyprus, ASIC in Australia and FSCA in the British Virgin Islands. It provides a wide range of assets to traders and investors through its Marketsi platform and MarketsxMarketsx platform. MarketsxMarketsx is for trading CFDs and Forex, while Marketsi is the platform for investors. The platforms are designed to be intuitive and are supported by robust technology. As I will explain later in this Markets.com broker review, both platforms can also be used on your smartphone so you can trade or invest on the go. Since this Markets.com broker review is primarily meant to be of the interest of the Forex traders, it will be focused on the broker's MarketsxMarketsx platform. Markets.com recently changed its fee structure, so the prices are usually in the same range as those of its competitors. There is no commission on Forex transactions, which I like the most, but profits are made off the spread. The euro-dollar is charged at 0.7 pips for most accounts. Traders should carefully consider whether they understand how CFDs work before using the platform, since these arrangements carry a high level of risk. European Union regulations require companies to report the number of retail accounts that lose money while trading CFDs. In the EU, Markets.com does business through SafeCap Investments Limited Equity, and in accordance with CySEC rules, it reports that 70% of its retail accounts lose money by trading its CFDs. This is better than the industry average of around 80%. It's easy to open an account on Markets.com. The entire process is digital and your initial minimum deposit is low. They also offer a demo account so you can become familiar with the platform before you start trading. I will drop a link below so you can test the virtual account straight away. But what about the markets they offer? Through its platforms, Markets.com offers several of the most popular products among traders, including ETFs, Forex, stocks, blends of CFD funds, bonds, and crypto. You can trade 60 ETFs, including the China CSI 30. Their ETFs give you access to markets that are usually out of reach. They cover stock market sectors, commodities, and indexes. Alright, tell me about the regulation. While our Markets.com review showed us that the broker doesn't hold a banking license, it's regulated by many financial authorities around the world. The complete list of regulatory authorities was mentioned earlier in this video, but the CySEC and the FSCA are highly regarded in the Forex sector. They are known for establishing standards that ensure traders can operate in a safe setting. Even if you are in a country where there is not a top-tier regulator, there are still standards that Markets.com must meet because of this relationship via its subsidiaries. Its parent company, Playtech, is listed on the London Stock Exchange. All companies that are listed on the LSE are required to maintain a high level of transparency. If there are financial issues within the company, they can be detected early. Markets.com offers negative balance protection, so your trading losses can never exceed the funds that you have in your account. In this Markets.com review, we've stated that trading CFDs carries high risk. I've stated that. However, negative balance protection limits the amount of money that you can lose. Most Markets.com users receive investor protection. If the brokerage goes bankrupt or commits fraud, you will get most of your capital back. In fact, some investors will get all of their capital back if the sum in their account was less than the maximum limit that was legally protected. The amount of investor protection that you get depends on where you reside and which subsidiary of the company you sign up with. For example, if you live in the UK, you will sign up with Finauto Trading. You will be trading in accordance with the investor protection level that's set by the FCA. This is 85,000 British pounds. Investor protection will be offered to you no matter where you live in the UK. However, it's not available to residents of all countries. If you live in a country where the regulators are the FSCA or ASIC, you won't have any protection. Markets.com fees and withdrawals. When you open an account at Markets.com, you may have to occasionally pay non-trading fees, but you will regularly pay trading fees. Non-trading fees are fees that aren't directly linked to trading. Markets.com does well with its non-trading fees and rarely charges traders anything in this category. In this Markets.com review, we found that no fees are charged for withdrawals, deposits, or maintaining an account at Markets.com. However, if you don't trade frequently or also use other brokerages, be wary of having your account become inactive, because that will attract an inactive fee. Your account will have to be inactive for at least 3 months before it will attract an inactive fee. After that period, you will have to pay $10 for each month that you remain inactive. As stated earlier in this Markets.com review, you won't be charged for deposits. However, like some of their competitors, this brokerage does have a minimum sum that you can deposit, and this is $100 or €100. You can make the deposit by using your electrical wallet, credit card, or debit card. Once you decide to enter a trade, trading fees will come into play. Different types of trading fees are applied to each kind of transaction. These fees include the following: commissions, conversion rates, financing rates, and spreads. So commissions are applied by using the base currency that you've selected. So if your base currency is euro, commissions will be charged as euro. This is calculated at the prevailing market rate. These small commissions are only applied to stock CFDs. They won't be applied to other transactions. For example, if you are trading Forex, you won't be charged a commission. The commissions on stock CFDs is applied to both sides of the trade. This commission is $10 applied when you enter the trade and $10 applied when you exit. So in all, you will pay $20 in commissions. This is converted to euro if your base currency is euro. You will also pay a spread on each share you purchase. Forex fees are built into the spread. These fees are different for each currency pair that you are trading. Markets.com offers institutional grade liquidity, and that allows them to deliver trading opportunities for a lower cost than some of their competitors. For example, euro-dollar has a spread of 0.7 pips, which is pretty decent spread if you pay no commission. When calculating fees in Forex transactions and for other trades, you will also have to consider slippage, which is the difference in price that can occur during a period of high volatility. You may expect to pay a particular sum for a transaction, but the prices change, and when it's executed, you will end up paying more. Sometimes slippage works in favor of the trader, who ends up paying less. Overnight funding charges are usually applied if you have an open position at the end of the business days. These rollover charges are not the same for each instrument, and they are known as swap. They've applied automatically once you have an open position at the end of trading. Interbank interest rates also affect your overnight funding charges. You will know how much the fee is when it appears on your account at the end of the trading day. In most cases, this fee is applied without notice. Do we have different account types at Markets.com? In this Markets.com broker review, we've mentioned that the brokerage has two separate platforms. These are the Marketsi and MarketsxMarketsx. You won't need separate accounts for each one. The same login details will give you complete access to both, so you can trade Forex and invest in stocks in your portfolio without using two different sets of account credentials. The entire process of opening your account is digital, and you will usually be approved in just one day. You will need to supply some personal information that all Forex brokers require to the regulations. This includes your name, ID, and other details that can be used to verify your age, nationality, and identity. To verify your country of residence, you can use your bank statement or a utility bill such as your gas bill. You'll also be asked to share financial details, which are used to facilitate deposits and withdrawals. Any errors at this stage can be result in unnecessary delays when you need to withdraw your money, so check everything. In this Markets.com broker review, we've also mentioned that a demo version is available for new traders or clients who want to become comfortable with using this platform before they use real cash. One account is used for both your virtual and real trading. So check that you are selecting the right option before you open or close a position. You can fund your account by using any of the methods that Forex traders can usually use, including bank transfer, credit cards, PayPal, fast bank transfer, and Skrill. Some funding methods such as bank transfers take a few days to be processed. If you want your account to be funded almost instantly, you can use your debit or credit card to make a deposit. When you're ready to make a withdrawal, you can use any method that you choose. The options that are provided for making deposits are also made available for withdrawals. In this Markets.com withdrawal review, we want to emphasize the fact that this broker doesn't charge for withdrawals. It doesn't matter what method you prefer, you won't have to pay a fee. This means it's better to just withdraw to your credit card if you want your cash quickly, because you won't pay for the convenience. Alright, so it's time to get to the trading platforms. MarketsxMarketsx is used to trade Forex. When you log on to MarketsxMarketsx, you will see popular trading options on your left, favorites in the middle, and positions on the right of your screen. This layout for your tabs helps you to stay organized. You can trade via your Android or iOS mobile device. An app is available for each of these mobile devices, but if you don't want to use it, the web version of the platform also works pretty well. Markets.com also offers the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms for desktop trading. You can customize your charts and your workspace on these platforms. The drawback of using either version of MetaTrader is that the design is a bit outdated. Like MarketsxX, it lacks two-step authentication. However, Forex traders can get a clear fee report with either version of MetaTrader. Alright, how about the education? Are you kidding me? This is what we are good at. Check out the online courses below. Alright, let's wrap it up. Markets.com makes it easy for traders to deposit and withdraw their money. No fees are charged for either of these transactions. You can fund your account or withdraw your profits via several methods, including debit cards, credit cards, and e-wallets. If you're using the app, you will have three types of folders available. These are Market, Limit, and Stop. Trailing stop is not offered. Many traders like to have access to research and tools. Markets.com provides interactive charts and ideas to help with each transaction. It's easy to open a trading account. If you like to trade CFDs or Forex, you will be able to choose currency pairs and instruments that complement your strategy. However, the MarketsxX platform doesn't currently offer more alternatives than these. If you trade infrequently, it's important to know that this broker charges an inactive fee. If you are new to Forex trading or want to see how the platform works before you deposit real cash, their demo account will be helpful. Overall, Markets.com has many of the features that Forex traders look for in a brokerage. Doing business since 2008, they are regulated by top-tier authorities and offer investor protection in some jurisdictions. You will have a wide range of products to choose from, including ETFs and all the popular Forex pairs. Once again, you won't be charged for withdrawals or deposits and can even find ways to save on each trade by choosing your base currency to benefit your trading style. It's easy to open an account online, and once you do, free tutorials are available to support your trading journey. No, don't promote other educational stuff. This is our thing. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have found it useful, support the channel with a huge like. Be careful when choosing a broker. Learn to trade before you risk real money, and I wish you to enjoy trading. Cheers!